Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well, long time no see. Well, I guess I did put up a video recently, but, you know, nonetheless. As you can see, we got quite the winter wonderland going on here. I'm just at that park that I frequently go to. So, quite a bit of snow. Got a good long line of raccoon tracks right here. It's kind of cool. Anyway, I wanted to talk about my channel a little bit and what's to come for 2022. And well, some good news is I actually recorded a bunch of video ideas on my cell phone, which I never got around to. So they're all still there. So I have something that I have a lot of content for this coming year. I think I've got like 11 separate overnighters. I think 11. I think maybe, well, it might be 10. One of them I don't know about, but we'll see. But I still got that jungle hammock I want to try, but that won't be until probably early summer. I'll start using that just because it's, well, we'll see. I mean, I do want to get out and sleep in it though, so that'll be something. So the hammock, then I got my regular hammock. I got to at least do one of those. I've got the pup tent I never got back to because I just started working, just been too busy. So I still have that, and then I might just do a regular tent camp, which would be fun. So if I'm not working. Well, let's see. If I'm not working every damn day, then maybe we can. Maybe I can get that to happen. I got a lot of cooking video ideas written down, so yeah. So it should be a lot coming on. What else? Oh, some changes to the channel I want to make, and let's see. Alright, I decided just to change the background a little bit. So, anywho, gonna make some tough calls this year. I think I'm gonna be dropping Tailgate Thursdays. Or, no, I'm not gonna be dropping it. I'm gonna be dropping scheduling certain days. Because right now it was Tuesday, well, it had been Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and that was kind of my schedule. If the weather was complete garbage, I would come to the park like this. I'm just at this covered picnic area. I'd come to the park, and then I would shoot videos here, either a cooking video, I'd bust out a stove, or I'd cook a meal, or use a Trangia set, or something. You know, I do it either here or the one over there. There's another little park over there. I've gotten there before too. So I can either go to either one. So I still have some cooking videos recorded, you know, written down on my phone, added to the list of stuff I have planned. Where was I going with that thought? Oh, yeah, damn it. Come on, Mark. So stuff written to my phone. Where was I going with this? Yeah. Okay, so basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm not going to be sticking to a schedule as strict as I used to be. I'm still going to do Cast Iron Wednesdays, which I'm going to go home and film one today. I'm still going to try and do Fired Up Fridays, because I'm still doing, because basically that's still going because of the shout outs for other channels, something I wanted to do, and also any mail calls, stickers, stuff like that is kind of Fridays. Even if I went home today being Saturday, and let's say I had a package from so-and-so, even if it was a trinket, I'd still probably hold it until Friday and include it in the mail call. So the Fridays stay. I was going to do one yesterday, but problem is we had, well, as you can see, it snowed. which isn't a big deal, but Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it just was pouring down rain. Actually, Thursday too. And I was going to go out on my back porch and just do the fired up burn. And the night before, I was driving home and I thought, wow, it seems really dark in front of my car. So I got home and I always check the mail when I get home. I got out, I jumped out of the car, I walked to the front, both headlights were out. I said, holy crap. So I drove home with no headlights. It's like, damn. So that put the kibosh on the Friday video, because I was Thursday when I did it. And I have to have headlights. You gotta have headlights or safety equipment on the car. You cannot drive around in the dark without headlights. I did, it worked out, but not smart and not safe. Excuse me. Just had lunch. Yeah, so instead of shooting my video, I went and changed my headlights, which the dealer told me that it was supposed to, the entire front bumper of my Jeep was supposed to come off, and because the driver's side burned out like several months ago, actually quite a few months ago, but I thought, well crap, they quoted me $185 just to take the bumper off to change headlights. And I thought it was ridiculous. I still do. But then I went and looked at a video Wednesday night when I realized the headlights were out, and the guy's like, oh yeah, just 3 8mm bolts, pull the bolts out, just pull the plastic back and just reach in and you can reach the headlights. I'm like, if I'd known that sooner, I could have done it sooner. But I didn't know then. If I wish I'd known then what I know now, and I would have had them changed by now. So I would just change them both and just kept the one that was working and just put it in the Ziploc bag and shelved it, and in case one of them goes out, I could just put the old one in. So damn it. So finally I had to get, that was priority, so I had to get that done. It took me about an hour because I'm a shit mechanic. I was in there just like, come on, trying to reach up in the side of the bumper, feeling around, trying to see, just, it was a headache, but I got it done. So it kind of screwed up my Friday fired up, but what are you gonna do? Safety and health and safety and well-being are more important than burning fat wood, unfortunately. So that's why I couldn't do it. I made a community post, apologized. Shit happens. So I preempted yesterday's video, and then today's my only day off this week. My buddy Steven asked if I was going to be still working, and I am. I'm not working at the other site anymore because they hired someone finally, but Mike's site, we have one guy out sick with the flu and another guy's out sick with COVID. So myself and another guy were covering his shifts, their shifts all weekend. So I'm working tomorrow, 12 hours. It should be fine. It shouldn't be forever. We'll just see how it goes. We'll see if he's back next week. If he is, he is. If he's not, he's not. If he is, my weekends are free again. If not, well, we'll see. I was invited to a winter hammock hang, but I honestly just don't. I didn't go because I just don't have the gear for it, unfortunately. My sleeping bag, the lowest rating bag I have is 15 degrees. And the temperatures that night dropped down to 9, so I would have been freezing my ass off. And in my underquilt, it's only, I think maybe it's a 40 degree. So I would have been in a world of hurt. Probably would have been just shivering. If I could even get body warmth up, I would just be miserable all night. So I opted not to go. Yeah, call me a wuss, but you got to be geared for some things like that, and I'm just not geared for it. Maybe not yet. I don't know about this year because I have to replace my tub on the home front, which also has been taking up some of my time lately. Is because I've been having people come over. I've been getting estimates on a shoved tower conversion. I was in the shower and I put my foot down and I heel cracked my tub, like right where the wall comes down and it meets with the base. It cracked right at the corner. So it's like, oh, cuss. And then I did patch it, but I was in there hanging. So I was in there doing something, and I put my foot right on it. I keep stepping on the damn thing because it's right in the spot where I stand when I shower. So I'm gonna get that in place. So it's gonna cost me. I think the cheapest quote I got so far was $5,000. So it's gonna be a little bit of work, and I don't know how to do the work myself. So I'm looking at that. So I've been having people come over giving me estimates. So that's been taking up my time because I gotta be home for them to come in and look at it. And it's just, you know, it is what it is. But you know, I can still come to the park on days like this. I'm actually gonna be doing a couple of things today, a couple of videos while I'm here. I'm gonna get some hot chocolate going because I was warm in the truck and I just had lunch, so I'm all warm, but now I'm starting to cool down. So I'm gonna get me a hot drink. And if you have any suggestions, things you want to see for the channel, video ideas, things you want me to cook, put them in the comments below. And I read every comment. I try to answer every comment unless it hasn't been happening lately, but sometimes there's a comment I just can't reply to. I don't know why, but it hasn't happened for a while. So I always reply to all the comments, and I make sure to write all your ideas down, just something you want to see. Hey, you know, I got a few new gear items over the past few months. Probably not going to do them today, but we'll see. I'll probably just have this video up for today and tomorrow. And then I'm going to try to start chugging along next week, I think. So I'm going to do a couple things, and then there's some other stuff I want to do too. So if you've listened and watched this far, I appreciate it. Thank you, and I will catch you in the next one. I'll try to get back into the swing of things, but I'm not really going to stick to a strict upload schedule like I had been, so it might be a little bit more freelance. So there may not be 6 vids a week anymore, but I'll still try to get videos out when I can. I think the videos might be a little bit better doing it that way too, versus sometimes I always put a little extra stress on myself, like, oh man, I gotta get out and get a video shot today. Got to. And that's not cool. So again, thank you, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace out, everybody, and hope you had a great holiday weekend. Personally, I'm glad they're over, so we can get back in the swing of things. And it's already January 7th. Is it the 7th? I think it's the 7th. No, it's the 8th. Before we know it, it'll be, you know, March, April, May, and camping. There's a lot of it. Hopefully a lot of it. Well, where's that wood?